How are you, my students? Hope everyone is okay and fine. Today, our new topics. I also start new topics, and topics name is digestion, and this lesson is 5.8. The human body, digestion. The human body is composed of innumerable cells. To keep it alive and functioning, it requires food. But most of the time, foods are also taken as complex and organic compounds. But the body cells are not unable to require this and absorb this. For this absorbability, the foods also taken simple, easy, and the form of the simple formation. Therefore, process food substances turn absorbability in two ways. The two ways also the mechanical process and another is the chemical process. Today actually my topics is also mechanical process, but I also give you the example and the definition of mechanical and chemical process. Here everyone open the book and page number 108 or 108. What is the mechanical process? Mechanical process basically help in the teeth. Teeth help in chewing or masticating food. First, the food substances break into small pieces. Within the stomach and intestine, these particles turn into pulp. Here the mechanical process, there are no help in the enzyme or hormone. Okay, it's also the two structure. One is the teeth and another is the chewing. Chemical process. Chemical process is the second step of digestion. Secretion of digestive enzymes helps to enhance chemical reaction. So the compounds break into simple soluble components. Intracellular reaction also depends on enzyme. Here I also draw the digestive system of human body. Everyone see the board. I also draw a flow chart. Alimentary canal. Here the alimentary canal first is mouth, second is buccal cavity, third is tooth, and fourth is pharynx, five is oesophagus, six is intestine. Basically intestine are two types. One is large intestine and another is a small intestine. And seventh is anus. I also draw this the human system, digestive system of human. Today our main topic is mechanical process. I also draw a teeth, secretion of teeth. Here everyone open the book. Tooth. What is the tooth? Teeth are the hardest part of the body and adult human possesses up to 32 teeth. 16 in each half of the jaws. Milk teeth appear first in childhood and are replaced by the permanent teeth up to the age of 18 years. I also give a formula about the teeth. Here the upper teeth and the lower teeth. I also draw here 2, 1, 2, 3 again 2, 1, 2, 3. Again I also lower teeth draw 2, 1, 2, 3 and that is 2, 1, 2, 3. This is basically tooth formula. Here the tooths are basically four types. One type is the incisor, another is the canine, third is the premolar and fourth is the molar. Here I also example incisor. What is the incisor? Incisors are used in cutting and beating food. Another is canine. Canines are used for tearing and grasping. Third is premolar. These teeth are specialized for crushing and grinding. And molar, these teeth are used in crushing and grinding. The last two teeth of the gums are called wisdom teeth. Here, every adult person has basically 8 incisor. Here, 2, 2, 2, 2. Basically 8 incisor, 4 canine, 8 premolar and 4 wisdom teeth. Structure of a teeth. Basically today my main structure is basically mechanical process, so everyone know the tooth is the mechanical process, mechanical aperture. Here, structure of a tooth. The tooth typically consists of three parts. For example, one is the crown, second is the root, and third is the neck. Here I also draw. First is the crown and the neck and the root. Here I also, what is the crown? Basically crown is the tooth, typically crown, the part above the gum and the outer space of the teeth. Here second is the root, the inner part below the gum. Here the inner part below the gum, and the neck, the tooth between the crown and the root. Each tooth is composed of the following components. One is dentine. Here I also draw the dentine. Please everyone see the figure. This is the dentine and main structure is the tooth. Here dentine. What is the dentine? Basically dentine, the main part of the tooth consists of hard substances. Another is enamel. I draw this part is also enamel. Please everyone see the book enamel. What is the enamel? The crown is covered with enamel. Enamel is the hardest component of a tooth. Both dentine and enamel are composed of calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate and fluoride. Please everyone underline this is the chemical compost. First is the calcium phosphate, another is the calcium carbonate and the third is the fluoride. Okay, another is pulp. Here I draw the pulp. This structure is basically pulp. Please everyone see the book. What is pulp? Dentine surrounds a pulp cavity with blood vessels, artery and vein, soft cells and nerves running through it. The blood supply nourishes dentine with nutrients and oxygen. Fourth is D, cement. What is the cement? I also draw the cement. Here this is the cement. Please everyone see this figure. What is the cement? Here cement, the main part of the tooth dentine is covered with a thin covering. The cement, the tooth remains attached with the gums by means of this cement. Here everyone, if the board exam also come, this question is also, please explain mechanical process. The mechanical process I also know the tooth and tooth figure and the components and structure of tooth. Thank you. Today my topic is also mechanical process. Next class I also explain you what is the chemical process of the digestive system. Thank you.